While we all grew up eating Pongal every year, it's time we celebrate this festival with some significant knowledge about it. Pongal is the festival of harvest, or to put it in simple words, it is the Thanksgiving of India, as this festival is all about celebrating and thanking Indradev and Suryadev for helping farmers to get better yielding crops. Pongal is known by different names in different places like Bihu in Northeast, Lohri in Punjab, Bogi in Andhra Pradesh and Makar Sankranti in Bihar, Bengal, Karnataka, UP, etc. Pongal is about dropping old habits and welcoming new beginnings. And what better day to do it other than this auspicious day? Let's begin the new journey towards financial independence by investing. We wish you a happy Pongal and welcome you with warm hearts in our family.